What's going on, my peoples? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Right now I got a set of Lasfit liners. Yeah, you know, sometimes it's hard to pronounce these names, but I think they go by Lasfit. And I want to take out the old mats in the truck in the F250 and add these in, just because, you know, we're trying to get something that's going to be easy to clean, easy to spray off. And these, from my understanding, man, they kind of serve as like tubs inside the truck, and they totally transform the inside look, you know what I mean? Take the experience up just a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do, man. We're gonna get these installed. We're gonna see what's to them, how they fit, what they look like, and we're gonna move on from there, man. I'm telling you now, like, just out the gate, I like the way they look, and you can tell that, you know, they form fitting, the way they cut, the way they, look at that, ooh, and just little details like this, you know what I mean? Keeping that factory snap look is the best thing ever. So we're gonna go and get these bad boys in. We're gonna see what's to it. But before we get started, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops. You dig? So let's get at it. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Look at them, look at them, look at them. Yeah, I like these, guys. I like these a lot. And so again, y'all know how it go. When you got a truck, or, you know, something that you pretty much doing some hard type work in, you're gonna tear up mats. And even in regular cars, like carpet mats don't really do well, they don't last long, but these should last a nice period of time. Again, they're form fitting, as you can see. I like this. So it's the catch-all. Even this, the details here is crazy. And so nothing, if, you know, water or whatever spills in these, it's gonna stop. It's gonna stop right in that area. And then on top of that, the channels, it's like catch guard channels. So these will be able to, I'm just amazed by how this, look at that form fit. So again, these I'll be able to just kind of take out, spray, put them back in, and that's gonna be magnificent. Again, Lasfit liners. Oh yeah, you guys did an excellent job on designing these. I like this. Let's go and check out the driver's side. Like I said, I like the fact that they kept those snap rings, those snap holes for the driver's side to kind of keep that factory look. And we're gonna check out this rear. Here's that driver's side. Look at that, snap right into place. You know what I mean? Again, look at details, man. All the way around, form fitting, all the way around. Yeah, I love these. I like these a lot, guys. Lasfit liners. Yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. The back one even looks even better. Look at that bad boy. Fit all the way around, and it goes straight across. So because they are like a rubber type of mat, you know, you got to kind of, you know, let it get settled in. You can see it's a little bit of hump right there. So once it heat up in the car, like this, it's kind of lifting just a little bit. But again, once it, you know, settle in, it'll start forming even better. You know what I mean? So I don't really get much, you know, much seat time back here in the back seat. Don't have a whole lot of people riding, but when I do, these gonna come in handy. And I like that it goes straight across, because the other one did not go straight across like that. It was just two square mats. So capturing all that dirt, it's gonna save me a lot of time on vacuuming, cleaning out, you know, the carpets and stuff, man. So Lasfit liners, man. I'm gonna put the link in the description. highly recommend these, man. Like the quality, it's tough material, tough rubber, and on top of that, the designs are crazy, man. I mean, you can't ask for a better mat than this, especially for trucks. Heavy duty type work. These it. So with that being said, man, I really appreciate these mats. Again, link in the description, man. Snap you up one, snap you up the set, and I promise you, man, you ain't gonna you ain't gonna regret it. You did. So with that being said, man, we out.